Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new tutorial inside SolidWorks sheet metal. In this video, I will discuss with you people how can you use the edge flange and sheet metal. So I have created the base flange by using the base flange command, and base flange is actually used to create the first valve, while edge flange is used to create the secondary valve. So this is just like a slave. Now I want to add the secondary valve either at this lower edge, either at this upper edge. Let me select edge flange and let me select this edge. Just drag it up to a certain limit, and once you come here, so you can assign the wall height from here. This is 60. Let me keep it 80 for now. See, let me choose this lower edge also. See, I have selected two edges. Okay, now if you come over here, so you can just select the flange position, either this one, and it depends on you. Let me check the wall thickness. Okay, 2, and just say okay. So this is how you can create the secondary walls by using the edge flange command. Okay, so if you need another flange and that is in lower direction, you can just add up like this and say okay. Okay, now if you need another flange in this direction, you can just drag up to here and say okay. So hopefully you understand how can you use the edge flange. As the name indicates, edge flange, you have to add a flange at the edge, either at the lower edge, either at the upper edge. Let me drag it up to here, and you can assign the height from here. This is 145 for now. See? So hopefully you understand, you got the point. How can you use the edge flange command inside SolidWorks sheet metal? And let me assign some color for now. Body, and come here and let me choose this color. Is it good? Yeah, it's look great. You must give the background plain white so that it's look like shiny. So if you not see the previous video, I will give a link in the description. You can see them. That is upon the base flange, and I have done 3 commands in sheet metal: base flange, convert to sheet metal, and edge flange. So hopefully you understand this video. Also you enjoyed this video. So if you have any trouble in this video, you can write in comment. I will reply for that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. But remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to like the video, also comment, and don't forget especially to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and most interesting projects inside all mechanical softwares. So thanks for watching.